What is perennialism? Perennialism is a teacher-centered educational philosophy that focuses on everlasting ideas and universal truths. Hence, perennialism suggests that the focus of education should be the ideas that have lasted for centuries, believing the ideas are as relevant and meaningful today as when they were written. It is important to note that perennialism aims to prepare students for life by developing their intellectual and moral qualities through emphasizing knowledge and the meaning of knowledge, serving to enhance students' critical thinking skills in their search for individual freedoms, human rights, and responsibilities through nature. Perennialism, an aim of education. The aim of perennialism in education is to develop power of thought, internalize truths that are universal and constant, and to ensure that students acquire understanding about the great ideas of Western civilization. As we can see, perennialism is the most conservative, traditional, but flexible educational philosophy. Perennialism also urges students to think critically and thoughtfully, thereby cultivating the rational mind of the students. Perennialism and the role of the teacher. As already mentioned, perennialism is a teacher-centered educational philosophy, in which the teacher is less concerned with student interest, but more concerned with transferring knowledge from older generations to younger generations. Hence, in perennialism, the teacher focuses on the importance of reading and will often use the underlying reading lessons to make a moral point. Here, teachers use history, religion, literature, and the laws of science to reinforce universal ideas that have the potential to solve any problem in any era. Curriculum and method of teaching. Perennialism in the classroom is focused on the curriculum and nature need. A perennialist curriculum, therefore, focuses on attaining cultural literacy, stressing students' growth in enduring disciplines. Also, the perennialists stress learning through reading and analyzing the works by history's finest thinkers and writers. Finally, the perennialists believe that reading is to be supplemented with mutual investigations with teacher and minimally directed discussions through the Socratic method in order to develop historically oriented understanding of concepts. And as we can see, in perennialism, there is less emphasis on vocational and technical education, but more on the humanities and social sciences.